To make soft and chewy dark chocolate chunk pecan cookies, toast 60 grams of pecans in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 5 to 10 minutes to help the pecans release their oil, and scale into a small mixing bowl 75 grams of room temperature butter, 25 grams of brown sugar, and 75 grams of cane sugar. Cream them together with a small spatula or whisk and mix in 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and 1 whole egg. Then mix in 85 grams of whole wheat cake flour, 1 gram of baking soda, and 1 gram of salt. Next, chop up into chunks the pecans and a 100-gram dark chocolate bar and mix into the dough just until combined. Chill the dough in the refrigerator for about an hour, then scoop a 40-gram portion from the bowl and roll the dough in your hand to create a round ball. Then evenly space the cookie dough on a lined baking tray to allow for the cookies to spread. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes. The cookies are done when they spread out flat and are browned around the edges but look slightly undercooked in the center, and allow the cookies to cool.